Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell by the scenery, we are back in Philadelphia. You're probably confused by some of my recent videos. They've been kind of out of order because I wanted to post the Austin Suron Mega Ride videos pretty much as soon as they were done being edited. That's the reasoning, but I'm now back in Philly. We're headed right now to the art museum to meet up with Alex, aka One-Way Lil Man. We've been trying to meet up with him for a while, but our schedules have not aligned, but we're headed there now. It is cold as hell. It's like 58, so not that cold, but it's colder than it's been. I've got the 12 bar back on, if you can see it. It's honestly probably perfect size for Lil Man to do knee knockers, so we'll get him on the bike, see how he likes it. He's really wanted to build one of these, so we'll let him try it out, rip it up. Now, if you guys follow the news, you may have seen recently that there was a motorcycle rider that basically smashed the rear windshield and pulled a gun on a woman in a car. So cops in the city are really all over bikes right now. Since these are electric, they usually don't care as much, but gotta just be on the lookout because they're not very happy with the whole bike life scene right now with what that guy did, which, you know, is pretty ridiculous. She had a kid in the car, pulled a gun on her. I mean, I don't know what led to it. Obviously, there's always, what, 3 sides to the story. Yeah, so that's not great, but hopefully we won't have any issues. Woo. Beautiful, brisk day in the city, though. See if they're up here. Good. How you doing? Were you just at the ride out? Yeah. Is he back there? Oh, word, okay. Yo! What's good, bro? Nice to finally meet you, man. On the zoos. How was the ride out? Good. It's good? I saw the cops showed up because dirt bikes were there. Yeah.
20 of them. Here, can I try that?
Yeah, try it out. There, you got no front brake though. She's on. She's got 3 modes, so 1, 2, and 3. Is this just thumb throttle?
Yeah, just thumb.
All right. We got a Lil Man on the Razor. Dude, it fits you so well. You can use the foot hoop as a knee knocker, but don't scrape it.
Is it like hard to scrape?
It's pretty far back, so no, you'd have to go real far back to scrape. Goes 42. It's the top speed. Dude, with you on it, it probably goes 45. It's a freewheel. It's sweet, right? This thing is cool. Never ridden one of these. We're trying to meet up with Mike and ride. Damn, I'm really just an e-bike guy now, I guess. On the pedal bike. Man. I hate letting you guys ride my bike because I look like now. You're too good. So like 86 to 88 volts is full, and then like 63 is cut off when it's completely dead. It's too good, man.
This thing's like actually easier.
I know, it's so easy. It's nice too because the forks and shock are all upgraded, so it's like it sits like a CRF 50 pretty much, or a 110 even. Lil Man killing it on the Razor. It fits him so well. Dude, so now you need one. We got Lil Man on the Mini. Pick up that foot. There you go. What's the verdict? You need one, right?
I was like, yo, Dante's sitting here.
Just put it in mode 1 for him. It's really powerful. I mean, he knows what he's doing, right? Just be slow on the throttle.
Mode 1?
That's mode 1, yeah.
That actually fits it. Look.
With him, it'll probably go 45, 50, and it'll get better range, too.
How much range you get?
I get like 30 to 40 miles. Depends how I ride. Yeah, dude, you probably go 50 on it.
I'm out of here. Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure. Nice meeting you, bro. We got to link up and actually ride.
Oh, man.
All right, Lil Man tried it out. Loved it, of course. Got the guy on the ruckus here. Well, guys, I know I have to work on my combos, but damn, did seeing Lil Man rip this thing make me feel even worse. Whew, it's chilly out. It's probably like 40 now, or at least that's the real feel, I bet. Yeah, we're gonna go up top. I think some of the boys are up here charging. At least go say what's up. I might want to get home though, because it's cold. Shoot, I wonder how the birds are doing. I totally ran out in the middle of the game to go meet with Alex. That was good. How we doing? Nice to see you. You chilly, buddy. Need some gloves. How was the ride out?
Fun.
It's fun?
People getting in my way.
Huh?
People getting in my way.
All right, time to leave. Time to leave. I'd do that if I had a front brake. Sit. Whoop, to the pop-up. Yo. And Ryan was thinking about selling his Suron. Look at him now. Hands are getting tired. Take one off. I don't have goggles on either, and my eyes are just watering like crazy. About to move my contacts all around. We got our swerves, baby.
What the fuck are they doing?
Dude, how bad do you want this key? How bad do you want it?
One day, we were a little man, and we were playing like key tag, and we were taking everybody's food. And they thought the cops were about to come, and they started screaming.
The dirt bikes. You ready? Let's see if we can get a high five. My throttle one-handers aren't that controlled yet. Ready? You gotta go down. You gotta go down. Oh fuck. All right, let's try again. Oh! We did it. Kind of. I'm out. Later, bro. Peace. Gonna head back now because it's late and cold. Luckily, I don't have to work tomorrow, which is sweet. Yeah, fun time. Lil Man obviously loved the bike, so he's trying to work with Razor, or with Electro & Co. rather, to get this kit that he can rip with me. He obviously rips the bike harder than I do, but that's just because he's the GOAT. Oh, I forgot this is why I always ride with goggles. My eyes are watering so bad. It's not that bad in the summer, but in the winter when the air is nice and chilly, it moves my contacts all around, makes me cry. Whoa. There's a cop. Doo-doo-doo. Just gonna go this way. Well guys, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go Birds, we won today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have so much content to come. Otherwise though, ooh, S1000RR. I will catch you next time though. Peace.